Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Today's video is a little bit different. We are going to be unboxing a remote starter by a company called Eurostart. Now, many of you guys are probably familiar that adding a remote starter kit to any BMW and Mini is pretty difficult. There's not a lot of different options on the market. You don't know where to go, you're confused. Eurostart has you covered. So today I will be unboxing their BRS1 remote starter kit. Now, this kit is actually for a BMW 5 Series 2011 to 2016 and a BMW 6 Series 2012 to 2018. So this will be going on my BMW F10. As many of you guys know, I have a 2016 BMW 535. So today we are going to be unboxing this kit, showing you what comes in it. Now, one thing I want to mention right off the bat, obviously I will have Eurostart's link in my description if anyone's looking to buy a remote starter for their BMW, but I want to mention that this remote starter kit requires you to go to authorized dealers just because there are many different pieces and connectors and things like that a professional should really be installing a remote starter kit in your vehicle. You should not be tackling this on your own. While this kit is 100% plug and play, zero cutting, splicing, or soldering into the factory harness of your car, so it's completely reversible. It is still needed to be installed by a professional, and that is an authorized dealer of Eurostart. So obviously I'll have the link to Eurostart so you can check in the description below to find an authorized dealer near you that can install this product for you. So without further ado, let's rip into the box. So jumping straight in, we have some awesome things. We have this little package right here that has all of the connectors that would have to be pinned out on the harness or from the factory harness on the car. We have some Velcro strip. We have some screws, which are probably to secure it. We also have this little piece of paper right here that looks like for labeling wires. And lastly, it looks like we have this awesome sticker right here that says Remote Start Equipped Vehicle, just so people know that this car has a remote starter in it. Taking a look, we also have this little notice. It says the installation procedure has been changed and you must install the latest installation guide. Okay, well this is for the dealer that's installing it, not for us. And let's take a look at the actual control unit. We'll set this aside. Bam, there is the actual control unit. Wow, the quality is just amazing. It feels great. And this is it. So you have your harness that's gonna plug in here. And on the other side, we have some additional ports. I know this black one right here is actually used for the drone module if you'd like to start your car from your phone. So yes, this remote starter allows you to start your car from your smartphone, and essentially you do need another adapter. This remote start just supports stuff like drone or CompuStar or stuff like that, so it's an additional module that you'll need. It's not supplied by Eurostart, but I highly recommend getting it if you're going to get this kit so you can start your car from your phone, because who doesn't want to do that? So here's a look at it. Super high quality, feels like an OEM quality remote starter, and it essentially is. It's using all OEM terminals and connectors, which I will show you in a second, but the harness is amazing. This is amazing. The quality is there. Made in Canada. Love to see it. All right, let's take a look at the harness now. Taking a look at the harness, this harness screams quality. Everything, these are OEM BMW connectors right here, so they will just fit in. These are the three connectors that look like they go to the module, and then we have various other pins that have to be installed in the car, and even down to the little details on these wires are labeled. The quality on here is amazing. It's wrapped in Tesa tape so nothing chatters. It doesn't make any squealing or any rattling noise while you're driving, because the whole thing is wrapped in Tesa tape the way a wiring harness should be. So let's flip it around. And yeah, that's it. Like I said, there's a lot of little wires that need to be ran throughout the vehicle, which is why it is needed to be installed by a professional and an authorized dealer of Eurostart. One more item I want to reiterate about this remote starter kit for your BMW is that this whole harness is 100% plug and play. There is zero cutting, zero splicing, zero soldering required to this harness or your factory harness. So this is 100% removable if you end up selling the car one day. And this is how it should be, guys. This is OEM quality. You can remove it, plug and play. Everything is covered with Tesa tape. And you guys know me, when I do other jobs and stuff's not covered in Tessa tape. I'm out there wrapping the whole thing in Tessa tape the way it should be. OEM BMW connectors, so you know the connectors will just fit. I don't know how many times I've bought a product for my car, especially some of these aftermarket radios, and the connectors aren't quite BMW connectors and they don't fit in as well and have to kind of jiggle it and stuff like that. You will not have this problem because it's going to fit and it's going to work. So the last thing I want to take a look at is the actual bracket. Now this is specific to your model of car. In this case, this is for my BMW 535. It even says Eurostart right on it. It looks beautiful. The module sits right in these studs right here, and it comes with the provided hardware to mount this, and this will mount right to the car. It even has this little top piece up here if you're adding an additional module like I will be adding. So here's the additional module that I will be adding to be able to remote start my car from my iPhone, which is going to be awesome. So I'll be able to start my car from anywhere in the world. You can even track it. But this is super exciting, so we'll take a look at this real quick. And that's it. So we have this harness. It's literally, this plugs into here and then plugs into the remote starting unit, which is awesome. So we're gonna have a super clean looking setup, and it's gonna look like it's not even there. It's gonna fit in, it's gonna work like factory. It's gonna be an awesome kit. So I wanna give you one last final look at the whole remote start kit for your BMW. Like I mentioned, this remote start kit is from Eurostart. It is a super high quality remote start kit. We have an OEM quality control box with an OEM quality harness. We also have this nice bracket that mounts up to the car in a secure and hidden location. It also adds the benefit of mounting your drone module to the top if you're looking to add smartphone capability, which I highly recommend. If you're going all the way for a remote starter, you need to be able to start it from wherever you want. So that's what the drone application will allow you to do. We also have this little sticker right here to put on your car so people know when they're working on it that it has a remote starter and that they could potentially damage something. We have this little foam piece. Again, this is more for installation. We have these stickers right here that looks like it goes on the front of the plug so you can see which one it is. So you put it on the wire and then you can see which hole it goes in. We have some required hardware, some screws, some connectors, and that's pretty much the system. Like I mentioned, your authorized dealer should be installing this. This is not something you can install on your own, so definitely take it to a dealer to have it installed. It's a super awesome product. I can't wait to get it installed. I've been wanting a remote starter in my car since I got my BMW because my BMW does not come with it from the factory. A lot of BMWs do not. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will be having a demonstration video come out with this product as well as a review to let you know what I think once I have it installed. I should be having it installed very soon. So come back to the channel and let me know what you guys think about this. I will definitely be interested to hear your comments about adding a remote starter in a BMW because it's not something you can typically do. There's very little companies that do it. And Eurostart is one of the leading companies for being able to add a remote starter into your BMW or Mini. So check them out in the description below. Also check out my ECS and Amazon affiliate link down below. Let me know what you guys think and I will catch you guys in the next one.